The successor to the Lamborghini Aventador is expected to debut soon. However, we got to see the next Italian V12 through leaked design patent submissions, albeit in plain black and white sketches. Despite that, the patents made it clear, the successor to the Aventador will come with a wild styling. Unofficial renderings show the Aventador's replacement in full color months ahead of its likely debut, giving us a glimpse of what it might look like. They also follow what we've seen in spy prototypes that have been publicly tested before. The much-anticipated successor to the Lamborghini Aventador will finally be unveiled in March 2023, according to Lamborghini CEO Stefan Winkelmann. The design patent appeared early on the website of the World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, which was submitted with interest to the North Macedonia office. Design patents reveal the Aventador successor's aggressive front fascia reminiscent of the San FKP37, while the hexagonal theme is evident in the top-mounted exhaust tips. There's also a large diffuser at the back, which is one of the largest body-to-body diffusers we've ever seen. The Y motif of the headlights and tail lights, as well as the massive air intakes for the engine, are evident in both the patent and the rendering. In terms of powertrain, the Aventador replacement will come with a new 12-cylinder engine, coupled with a plug-in hybrid powertrain to meet emissions regulations. Lamborghini intends to partially electrify its other models, including the